There is an active crash in Bitcoin happening right now. And if you have these indicators, you saw it happening in advance. In fact, you may have been able to enter a short trade with us and are already in profit. It's a little bit late to enter now, but as the price drops, we're going to be looking for some specific signals in order to make our next entry. Whether that ends up being here at structure support on this bear flag, or we crash through and find the next bottom of the bear market. Let me show you everything you need to know. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Guys, we have a brand new future forecast available for our traders. This is talking about how you can pay for your summer vacations, whether bullish or bearish. A 35-minute episode, and we're showing exactly how we are managing these next moves in crypto. Also available to our members is a massive $400 off the indicators I am showing you in this video. If you're not a member yet, you can access it at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Right now, we see a red dot after touching resistance. Historically, this is resulting in drops. No surprise there. This is a strong bearish signal. From here, we need to look at the opposite. We want to see a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager, and this is likely to call a potential bottom on the bear flag pattern. If we see that, this will be our third touch. We see 1, 2, and this would be the third. This is where we could be seeing a bounce. But I want our traders to be very careful because after the third touch, it becomes much more likely to break through a bear flag pattern. And the more touches we get after that, if we keep fluctuating between support and resistance, the more likely we are to crash. And with that, the stronger the crash is likely to be. So rather than looking to enter at this structure support, instead, I'm personally looking to enter after the crash. Historically, when we see the bottom of the crash, we see the signals here. We see fear and max fear to call the entry zone. Anywhere in this range, in the 2022 bear market bottom, was a fantastic entry. This range between $16,000 and $24,000, and anyone that entered in this zone made a ton of money. But we're going to zoom in here, and what I want you to see is that within this zone, the local bottoms were called with the green dots. So yeah, entering anywhere in this range would have made money, but entering in the areas where the green dots posted would have made you the maximum amount of money because they called the absolute bottoms in the bottom entry zone. In fact, this green dot called the exact bottom of Bitcoin right here when it happened. Now, just to be transparent, these indicators did not exist back then, but these indicators do not repaint. So the signals you saw there are the same signals that would have happened back in 2022. So this is what we're looking for. Even if we fluctuate between these two lines for a little bit, as we crash, I'm looking for fear and max fear on the daily time frame. And once those show, I'm looking for a green dot. Now, to make sure you don't miss it, because it could take a while, we're going to set some alerts. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch it to the market cycle highs and lows. We're looking for fear, once per bar close, and we're clicking create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows. This time it'll be max fear, once per bar close, click create. Last alert, it'll be Pro Trade Manager, long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and we're clicking create. When you see a fear or max fear alert and a long entry short take profit at the same time, or at least very close to each other, this could be the absolute bottom of the bear market and time to enter in for max profit. And I'm talking about serious profit, guys. If we go to the bottom of the bear market here that was called, to the absolute top, also called by a red dot, by the way, and with high greed and extreme greed, this was a 716% pump. Massive profits are to be had. These indicators are calling the tops and bottoms of the entire market itself. Lower time frames, you can trade within trends much easier. So no matter your trading style, these indicators are going to work for you. And you caught this video just in time because there is only just over a week left to get these indicators for $400 off. What you want to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Once you've signed up, head to AI Indicators, scroll down, click Reveal Member Coupon Code here, write it down, click Checkout on Gumroad. I want this, market cycle highs and lows, add that to cart, throw in your discount code. That's going to give you $200 off each for $400 off total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that future forecast episode and the active sale happening now. Don't miss out.